Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can download Wave accounting software. This is really useful if you want offline access or just want to ensure that you have the latest version. So once you go to the official waveapps.com, what you will have to do is navigate to the download or app section. It should be right here somewhere, but if you cannot see it, you could just download the app version, which is on your mobile phone or any device that you're using. So anyway, once you see this on your Google Play or whatever that you are using to download your apps, you will just have to click install, of course, and then however, if you can see it on your website, then you will just have to click download, and then you will select your platform, which is either Windows, Mac, or Linux, or whatsoever. And then, of course, you will install the software and open the downloaded file and follow the installation prompts and finish the installation. And for the app version, you will simply just click install and just wait for it to be installed on your device. And yeah, that's basically how you can download Wave. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.